Alright, so this is one of the numerous tries to review the app called JLPT Words. And why is this app cool? Because I've tried many different apps and this is the only app that I keep using every day for like more than a year, 2 or 3, I don't even remember how long. And it's really simple, and I use basically only one feature of this app, which is quiz. So I just start the quiz. I'm getting English word basically and 4 choices of Japanese words, and that's it basically. And that's the best feature I like, is that I look at the word, I read the options that I have, I take my time to think what matches well. For example, this one, legend, myth. Let's see, we have hige, shinwa, bane, and hakujo. So I would say I tend to think it's a shinwa, and that is correct. So when we select an answer, we see some additional stuff. We see kanji, reading again, and romaji. And let's go back for a minute to the settings screen. So before each quiz, before starting it, you have some options you can play with. So recently I tried to stick to just enabling only kana and not like everything. So by default I think it's like this. So you have English word and you have pile of information right here. So you have kanji, hiragana, and romaji. And I mean, there are different approaches to this. Could work for some people, but over the years, it's like right now I'm trying to select one thing. It's like either kanji or kana. Of course I can just leave the kanji and just have no idea how these things are read and just guess. And it works, but let's try this. So extravagance, luxury. Let's see, it could be this, and that is correct. Yeah, and so I have it set to have 20 questions, and so I need to answer 20 times. And after that, let's see, rice field, incorrect. Yeah, I'm just told like how many questions were correct, like 10 out of 20, and that's it. And I think that's a good way to have a spaced, repetition system. But there's an app called Anki that's like kind of designed for this, but I cannot use that app. I get tired of it. And it's really boring. And this, it's like more playful. I don't know, I just use it again and again on the buses, on the trains, everywhere. When I'm bored, I just go through this little game and learn new stuff. Not sure if I need to go into more details, so words, let me just walk you through how I work with this in more detail. So there is an option to star or add to favorites your the word you encountered. So I do try to do that to all the words that I don't know. Also, I can block the word if that usually happens to katakana words, because it's just an English word turned into katakana. That's too easy. And of course you can skip words. I'm not sure what's the point in that, so I don't try not to skip the words. And if I don't know, I just pick any random choice. What else? So I think the cool thing is the level of JLPT. So it's a good idea to start with only like one simplest level, which is level 5, and then gradually move on to more complex levels. And then there's also an options which I never used before. Let me try that. That will just have all the words that I don't know, which I marked as favorites. And it will show those, and it allows me to focus on the things that I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Anyhow, anyway, let's try this one. I suck. What else? So I usually have it like this. So number of questions I think is 50 by default. I switched it to 20. And I don't think I mess with the last options. I just don't care about those. So other two text sections that there are learning stats. I go there sometimes just to see that I still need to learn lots of words. So overall there are, I think, 8,000 words, and so 3,000 of JLPT 1, 1,700 JLPT 2, a similar number for JLPT 3, and 4 and 5, the easiest levels, have around 600. And I actually, even though I don't have a lot of like stars, it's like when I guess more times, get more stars for each word. But even with this state, I kind of mastered those. And at some point, I changed the phone, so my real data was lost. And so after that, I reinstalled it on a new phone, and I'm concentrating on the level 3, 2, and 1. Yep. And let's quickly go into dictionary, and we can just press search icon and it will show all the words that there it has. Sometimes I give it a chance and just scroll, but I think that's a lot of information, so and I kinda can get burned down and my brain explodes. So after that I go back to quiz and just go little by little. Let's see, suppression could be this one. Correct. Yokusei. So that's the app I wanted to share, JLPT Words for Android. Not sure about iPhones, iOS, or whatnot. So yeah, give it a shot and hope it's gonna be useful for you. Take care.